This video is going to be about embedding videos into a web page. Now, what an embedded video looks like in a web page is like the videos that you see in my Moodle courses, in that you can actually see and interact with the video on the actual web page. It's not just a link that opens up in a new window and then you have to open up a new window to watch the video. These are videos within web pages. Now, the thing with embedding is just like putting a link to the video, but it's a more complicated link. That way that video can appear within a web page. Now, where do you get your web page? Well, there's a lot of different places that you can create a free website, such as Weebly or EduBlogs. I'm going to show you actually how I do it with Moodle here. Moodle, Blackboard, any system like that that's housed on the web usually has a place where you can take an embed code and embed your video as such, and that's what I'm going to try to do in this video. When I go to a video, let's say this is from my iPad class, presenting and projecting with an iPad, and I want to embed it into a course. The first thing I'm going to do is click share on YouTube, or this could be somebody else's video also. An embed code is nothing but a link to the video. It's just placing it so you can visually interact with it within the web page that you're putting it on. So I'm going to click share. And then I get my link, of course, that you would send me a video with. But the embed is written right here. To embed, you get this more complicated, scary code that you do not have to be a computer programmer to use an embed code, because I am not myself. So what you need to do is you need to copy this code by doing Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on a PC, or you can just do the old-fashioned edit copy. And you copy that code, and then you need to go to the web page that you're going to put it in. So this is an example of how I'm doing it on one type of Moodle website. Okay, so you can't just paste that code into this text area for the page content. Usually there's a button that either looks like this that says HTML source, or I'll show you a different version of Moodle. This one I actually have to click the drop down here and get this double arrow thing. Okay, so this like double arrows like facing outward is also a code for HTML code. You can see when I hover over it, I see the HTML there. Okay, so let's go back to the first one. When I click that button, it actually goes into a source editor, and that is where you can edit, paste the code that you copied. Complicated code, okay? You click update and it inserts the embedded video into your course, and you can see it already automatically did it. I'm going to go to the other one, click this HTML button, paste, save and display so we could see it. And there is your embedded video that you can interact with on a web page. You can hit play. This video is about different ways that you can present with your iPad. And that's how it's done. If you embed somebody else's video into your course, it's a link to the video. So if they take down the video from wherever it's running from, then that video is not going to be there. So you don't really have to worry about copyright, in as much that you're just putting a link that they have made available to you. On YouTube, you can disable embedding if you don't want people to embed your own videos too. So I hope this helps. You might use it down the road somewhere in the future. You might have just been wondering how people were doing this.